This video describes a project to design a seat solution for a para-canoeist. Following a car accident, Taylor became paralysed from the chest down and required a bespoke seat design to support him in an outrigger canoe. The project required a number of design iterations, each one incorporating the learnings and recommendations for improvement. The first step was to observe Taylor in the boat, study his posture, and then look to see how this could be improved. The team had tried various adaptations and additions, so had a good understanding of the forces imposed and where material and stiffness were required. One obvious area were the sides, as they were clearly too low to support his trunk. So we came up with an initial design which incorporated a deep seat pan with high, stiff back and sides. The pommel at the front helped prevent slipping forward. Once fitted in the boat, Taylor was keen to try it. The seat back was angled backwards to reduce forward leaning. It quickly became clear that this was a hindrance rather than a help. The side wings also need closing up to offer better support. However, with the wide elasticated straps, the paddling position was substantially enhanced, but now the current paddle shaft was too short. The team chocked the underneath of the seat to make it vertical. They padded and wedged the sides and rerouted the straps over the shoulders. The straps, though, did have a tendency to slip. The next version incorporated the learnings, vertical back and slits for the straps and closer fitting sides. This was a big improvement. However, the sides presented a new problem, in that they dug into Taylor's ribs. The sides were temporarily taped and padded to avoid this. Although the shoulder straps no longer slipped, they tended to pull Taylor down rather than back. Version 3 was another step forward. We smoothed out where the sides narrowed and built a much higher back, planning to reduce the height if necessary. The surface area of the fitting plate to the boat was also increased to better cope with the forces imposed whilst paddling. The straps were routed over the back of the seat until we could see where best to position some slits. The higher slits for the straps ensured that the straps were pulling Taylor back into the seat rather than down. A single strap was later used to better compensate for paddling imbalance. Key to success was the early practical testing of different designs. Even though we knew the first versions were not right, they provided valuable design input going forward.